In this video, I will show you how to crop images in Paint. So firstly, insert any picture. So click on open. Now select any image which you have. So select your picture or image. Now to crop, click here, this select box. Also you can select by freeform or you can select all and select the area like you need this part of this picture and you want to crop this one. So select it and just click on crop. You can decrease the size from here. Now select the area which you need, then crop. So this way you can crop images in Paint on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.